little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something super fun, a playground slide. Ready to create a cool slide like this one? Let's go! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Alright, grab your black marker and let's get started. First, let's draw a triangle at the top for the roof of our playground slide house. This will be the pointy top of our slide. Next, we'll draw the main part of the playhouse. Draw a big rectangle shape under the roof. Now, to make it look interesting, let's add another 2 rectangles on the sides to make the structure stand out. And right in the middle, let's add a half circle for a fun little window. Now, let's add a ladder right in the center. Start with a tall vertical line going down, then add some horizontal bars to make it look like a real ladder.
La da 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 dee.
This is where kids climb up. On the left side of the playhouse, draw a long curvy line going down. This is the slide. Let's connect it back up to make a nice, smooth slide for kids to slide down. Now, let's add another ladder with a railing on the right side. Draw a vertical line with little diagonal bars to make it look safe and sturdy. Awesome! Our playground slide drawing is complete. Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp so it really stands out. Trace over everything to give it that pop. Whoa! Look at our amazing playground slide. It looks so fun and inviting. Now it's time to make it colorful. Let's grab our color pens and get started with rainbow colors. Let's start with pink color for the roof.
Wow!
Blue color for the rectangle window.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Next up is yellow color for the rounded window. Then, we'll color the playhouse with green color. Orange color for the slide. Red color for some parts of the ladders. Purple color for the horizontal steps. And sea green color for the other ladder. Look how bright and cheerful it looks now. Fantastic job! Our playground slide is all done and looks awesome. You did an amazing job! Thanks for drawing with us today. Remember to subscribe for more fun art tutorials. See you next time, little artists. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.